Replacing the water filter on a Xwfe fridge sounds simple, until you're standing there, twisting the thing like it's Excalibur, and nothing's happening. The Xwfe filter is a little finicky, and you can totally mess it up if you rush. First, let's start with location. The Xwfe filter hides in the top left corner inside your fridge, behind a little plastic cover that looks like it should open easily, but it probably won't. That cover gets sticky from condensation, so gently pull it towards you while pressing up. Don't yank it. This is not a jar of marinara. Slowly open the cover with a firm nudge. Once that flips up, you'll see the old filter staring you down. It looks innocent enough, but it's probably been crammed in there for 6 months too long, doing half its job. Now here's the pain point. The filter won't twist out unless the pressure is right. If your water line has tension from use, you'll feel resistance. A pro tip here, turn off the water supply first if you want an easier time. Just a quick cutoff. To remove it, grab the filter firmly, twist it 1/4 counterclockwise, and then pull down. If you're forcing harder than turning a doorknob, stop. If it's stuck, wiggle it gently. Filters get jammed when debris builds up around the seal. Once it's out, don't throw it immediately. That old filter is heavy with trapped sediment, and sometimes it leaks. Put a towel down. Lay it aside. And yes, the expired filter warning light wasn't lying to you this time. Tap that with respect. Unwrap the new Xwfe filter from its packaging. Don't remove the plastic cap on the back. That's the RFID chip, and GE builds that in to track performance and block third-party filters. Yeah, they really did that. Welcome to the DRM era of water filters. Hold the new filter upright, line up the notches, insert it straight up into the slot, and twist it clockwise until it clicks. If it feels mushy, back off and try again. A solid click is what locks it in. Wobble equals wrong alignment. When it's installed, check for leaks. Run your fingers around the seal while the water line is still off. If it's dry, turn the water back on and press the dispenser. You'll hear a brief hiss of pressure stabilizing. That's normal. That's healthy refrigerator plumbing music. Now run at least 2 gallons of water through to flush out carbon particles. You'll want to dump that first batch into your plants or down the sink. The filter needs a wake-up rinse to start doing its job right. If you skip this flush, expect cloudy or gritty water. After that's done, hold the Reset Water Filter button for 3 seconds until it beeps or the status light changes. Some people miss this step and think their filter's not working. The fridge isn't magic. It needs instructions like anything else. Do this every 6 months or earlier if your flow rate drops. If your ice cubes start shrinking or look cloudy, it's a clear sign. I keep a calendar reminder, but also I just check my water. If it tastes like sadness, it's time.